I got that Silky like 2 months ago. 5 of them, maybe 2.5 months ago. And there were 3 black ones and 2 brown ones, or 2 yellow ones, and 4 of them died from a parasite or from the dogs. So we got 5 little babies. Hi, baby. That one. And the 4 small ones over there 2 weeks ago. And so we put the big black Silky in with them. And she thinks she's their mom now. And it's so cute. Watch. I love it. I love my farm animals. Hi, Fei Fei. They sleep right near her. Oh, was that chicken just in the water bucket? Or they sleep under her wings. And so what are you doing jumping on the piggy? We got 5 or 6 of those smaller black Silkies last week. And we put them in that cage with them because Silkies can't fly until they're bigger. I'm not going to put them in there with the bigger chickens yet. And she's kind of mean to them. But they all sleep together. Mama. I named her Mama. Because, don't go after them. Okay. Look at They love watermelon. Love watermelon and pasta. Hi, Gigi's. Gigi. Hi, baby. I think this one's going to be a rooster. Look at that. Are you a rooster? Hmm? Fei Fei. Yep, and these babies are about ready to go. We're going to keep one female and a male from the piglets and sell the other ones. Hey, babies. Hello. Hello. Look at these cute little babies. Hi. Hello. Hey. Mama. Stop that.